Hi, good morning to everybody. I am Mubarak Ansari. I am from Giridih. Today is Sunday. We discuss about tense. What is tense? Tense है क्या? Tense किसे कहते हैं? Definition: the word which indicate the time to do or to be the work is called tense. जिस शब्द से किसी काम को करने या होने का समय का बोध हो उसे हम टेंस कहते हैं. How many kinds of tense in English? There are three kinds of tense in English. For example, present tense, past tense, and future tense. That's all. Thank you very much.